All right. Punch it until you feel comfortable, and but watch the speed. So get up to about 50 and then let off.
Let off?
Go. Go.
Yeah, that is crazy.
They go so fast.
All right, now you're gotta back a little bit. So notice how the gears are staying low because it's in sport mode.
Yeah.
And so it's also stiffer because it's lower to the ground.
Oh, it went lower?
Yeah, that drops it down.
But Daddy, how fast was he going?
You just got up at the speed limit really quick. There's a car coming. All right, let this car go a little bit. All right, slow down, go real slow. There, get up over this, all right, just stop completely. All right, so get on it, but don't floor it, because it'll go crazy. But go to where you feel comfortable. Wait for these cars.
I mean, don't floor it.
Well, if you floor it all the way, you might be too much. So just go. There you go. Go.
Want to turn getting hard?
All right, that's good.
So I can just feel it like
You're like, ooh. And then if you're in this mode, then you can just turn it off by tapping it. It'll raise it back up and that'll adjust the gears and everything.
This is the best.
But you could see how, like, if you were not paying attention, you can get away from it. So 16, got on your first Porsche GTS, not too.
I need a sports car.
Now you're like, oh, the Tahoe. The Tahoe's nothing, man.
Daddy, when you're in the back, it feels like you're going at normal speed. It's like weird.
Yeah, but it's well, you're waiting for it though. Like sometimes when I get on it, you're like, oh god.
Yeah, like I don't know when it's coming, and you all of a sudden go.
So see how it'll like wind up and then launch you? That's just because the transmission on this can be put in like track mode, and so it's almost like it has a turbo, but it doesn't, or a supercharger. So it'll wind up and then just launch you.
Daddy, we should go. You should take Reese in the Porsche and let him drive, and then we should go to like.
Well, we are in the Porsche. What are you talking about?
No, I mean like.
By himself?
Oh.
No.
No, not by himself, but like one where it's like a track where you go however fast you want, and then.
Oh, like on the actual like track? Yeah.
Yeah, that would be so cool. I'd want to be in the car. Here.
That's a roundabout down there.
Oh,
So you don't
I
want
was gonna run like right into
to. You don't want to drift through the roundabout.
I might live with Grandma.
So now you can see why people that are like sports car enthusiasts, like it's kind of addictive. You're like, oh, it's kind of fun, you know?
Now I get why people speed.
No, you're not speeding. You're just getting up to the speed limit as fast as possible.
Thought you were letting him speed.
I look at it as if you're gonna spend a ton of money on a car, why not enjoy the time that you're traveling from A to B? Go slow. That's like almost scraped right there. That's
Is
like
that,
this won't go. You know like going to your old middle school, the train tracks that are these same train tracks. It won't make it over that. It's too low.
Which ones?
The one like you're going to Bailey. It's on the right.
Oh wait, it's kind of on the way to my. It's on the way to my dance.
No.
My old dance.
No. So now you know where to get your car inspector.
Wait, is it near the dog supply store?
No, it's actually it's this road, but it's all the way down on the right. It's just like super steep and like if we try to go over it, we would just tear the bottom up. It would be bad.
Oh yeah, I've seen.
So I just can't go that way driving this. I'm like, oh, I guess I'm going a long way. Go left.
Right.
See now, if we turn the traction control off and turn the all-wheel drive off,
Wait, what?
that's what that button does. If you turn that off and you got on it, the thing would just smoke the tires. It would be kind of sketchy.
Just
Turn it
smoke
back
tires.
on.
Is that what it's meant for? Is that what it's supposed to be?
It's just
Smoke?
that's for like track mode. So if you were to drift like on a track, you would do that. So the front wheels
Is
are
that literally meant for drifting?
well, no, it just gives you the option if you want to turn the all-wheel drive off. But then I mean, you want to go through some tires. That's what you would do. So you wanted to get a Charger.
It's the same thing.
Charger, Porsche, not even remotely close. Not even close.
I want a Charger. For my first car.
I don't know.
I want to.
Most Chargers aren't 0 to 60 in 4 seconds.
This is 0 to 60.
4.0.
It takes 4 seconds from 0 miles per hour to go to 60.
Yeah, and we didn't even use launch control. So
Why not?
there's a mode where if you're at a dead stop, like if you were dragging, you could put your foot on the brake. So then it's set up, it's built this way. So you put it in sport mode, put your left foot on the brake, floor it, and the transmission knows what you're doing. You let off the brake, and it launches like if you're on the drag strip. And that's how you get 4 seconds and 6. That's how you get 0 to 60 in 4
You
seconds.
should have done
I'm scared to do that.
that. Have you tried that?
No. I'm like, people are like, oh, it's built to do that. I'm sure it is. It's just, but
It's scary because you don't know what's gonna happen.
I'll do it right before I sell it, just in case I do something to it. You think mommy be freaking out right now if she was in the car?
Oh, yeah. She'd
Yeah,
probably be like
she'd
telling me
be
like fall behind.
Screaming. She'd be
Come back.
screaming.
She hates it when I drive. She's like, even if I'm going like the speed limit, I'm like, this doesn't drive like a Suburban. It's like, it's a sports car. It's gonna drive a little stiffer, a little,
Yeah, why does she hate you driving?
No, she shouldn't hate me driving it. She just is not a fan of cars that are built like this. She's just a little freaked out. She's like, oh, it's too low, it's too fast, it's too loud. All right.
You only live life once. Gotta enjoy it.
That's what my friend Art says.
He did.
No, that's what I'm talking about. That's a pothole right there. Do not hit that. All right, one last punch to get up to speed. Just don't stop because we're on the highway. All right, we're on. Slow down.
That Tesla has nothing on this.
He's back there like, what the? Oh, I didn't notice it was a Tesla.
Never heard an engine before.
Why do people like Tesla so much? Tesla suck.
I don't know. I guess if you like to drive in silence.
Like, imagine
It'd be
you're on a
nasty.
long trip and you just randomly run out of the battery to charge.
Yeah,
and you
that,
didn't bring an extra.
yeah, they haven't figured that out yet. Like we can't drive. I mean, you know how long it would take us to go to Florida in a Tesla? I mean,
You have to stop
Be
every.
careful, car gets in.
yeah, stay to the right. Hey, to each their own. Yeah, whatever.
Let's jump the speed ball.
No.
I would love that. I want to do that.
So is it not fast enough?
It's pretty fast.
If it was faster, it'd be like crazy.
Yeah. Are we going to the gym tomorrow too? After church?
Oh, it's Sunday.
Yeah, tomorrow's Sunday.
That is 4 days a week.
All right, gotta raise it up. Hold on.
I'm not doing that.
Oh, hit that button so I feel it start to go up. And when that stops flashing, all right, then just kind of let it roll over.
Did it go up?
Yeah, now it's in front lift is on. Just get real slow, because I think you got about half an inch of clearance.
Stop.
Just roll. That's it right there, and just let it go. Give it a little bit, and then it'll go up.
Am I good?
Yeah, you're good. Just get a little good. Go.
Okay. I'm not parking this.
Just park straight. Now, don't pull it in the garage. You'll hit one of the posts.
Easy.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. See ya.